We are in a place right now where we have to be really careful that we don't over-accommodate. What we're seeing, especially around anxiety and stress in that physical and emotional domain, is that we are giving kids a safe space, giving kids a place to go, giving you the physical, the weighted blankets, the things that you might need, which are really, really important. But those must really be accompanied with some skills and techniques. When I'm feeling this way, this is what I do. Cupcake breathing. If I'm stressed, cupcake, I breathe in, smell the cupcake, and blow out the candle. That's the technique that we teach you so that if you find you don't have access to an accommodation, you use one of your interventions. The 5 things that we teach around anxiety. 5 things that I can see, 4 things that I can feel, 3 things I can hear, 2 things I can smell, 1 thing I can taste. So I'm 7 years old. I find myself starting to unravel. I'm 10 years old. I find myself starting to unravel. If you can just remember, look around you. What are 5 things you can see? That might be enough to lower that brain chemical or put things back into whack. Can I do cupcake breathing by myself and no one knows it? I can do that. Can I do chair push-ups right now and no one knows it? Yes, I can do that. Those are interventions. So, because what we're seeing is that, especially in families, there are some families that tend to restructure their entire family's activities so they don't have, so their child isn't stressed or doesn't give them any behaviors. But the only way you're going to learn how to cope is if you experience that stress and have something you can do with it.